Hi, I'm Temple Hayes, and I want to thank you for your interest in life rights. You know, I heard one time if you look at the word question, it has quest, I on. So you and I, as part of this wonderful world in which we live today, we're on this quest. And for many years now, we've all been asking ourselves various questions about Mother Earth. What can we do? How can we become more green? How can we be more environmentally friendly? What do we need to do about the species that we're seeing fade away today in the world in which we live? So like you, I've moved past the place of asking questions into a place of wanting to come up with answers and viable solutions. And I believe that if we start now changing the consciousness of people and how they hold life and how they hold the value of Mother Earth, that we can make a difference. And I can see that it wouldn't take that long if each of us are participating on the levels in which we can to make the difference. Life rights, in my opinion, my humble opinion, reflects those concepts. Because if we start with children at the level in which they are gathering information, if we teach them about nature, that everything in nature has its value, that it is a right, not an entitlement, but it's a right to share with Mother Earth all the things that we have and that she offers, and that we honor life and all living things. And we're teaching those kind of concepts. We're not teaching them constantly how to fight and giving them guns and showing them that life doesn't matter. We're showing them that life does matter. All living things have a right to live on this planet. And the more that we change the consciousness, the more Mother Earth is going to thrive again. To me, that's the answer. If you look at the common thread of everything that we have going on now, in which people really feel that they're different, the common thread that all of us have is that we thrive for life. If we don't have life, we don't have anything else. And Mother Earth feels the same way. So together we can make a difference, honoring life, the natural right for everybody. Thank you for joining us today.